Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel at home with Chelle. Today's video is essentially a post-holiday house reset with lots of washing, restocking and cleaning of the entire house. I really hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, then I make quite a lot of videos like this, so would love for you to subscribe. The first thing that I'm going to do is empty our cases and get on with some washing. If you've watched any of my packing videos, you'll know that I always take a couple of these extra large laundry bags in our cases, and then whilst I'm on holiday I put them in the bottom of a wardrobe and fill with dirty washing. Basically try and recreate our laundry system at home, as have one bag for darks and one for lights. It makes sorting the washing after holiday so much easier, and then doesn't mix the clean and dirty washing neither. And then I also had a separate little bag just with underwear in, so I didn't need to sort any of the washing. I just simply carry the bag into the utility to get the first load on pods, scent boosters and fabric softener, and then I leave the rest in the utility room to do later.
Covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the coma.
Next up is to empty the dishwasher, which I put on before we left. Once emptied, I then reloaded with a few bits from our breakfast this morning. A quick wipe down of the sides, and then the kitchen is refreshed. Whilst the washing is still doing, I then headed back upstairs to make the beds.
There's no passion in the comatose, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, we keep moving like the river goes, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go, this time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that now, no it's no more, no. I got so high.
The washing is almost done, and it will soon be ready for the second load to go on, and I want to pre-treat some of my whites which got ruined with sun cream on holiday. I've tried lots of different methods, and the thing that I find works the best is either spray or soak in white vinegar for around 30 minutes before washing, and then put in the washing just with some vanish as well. And then I do find elbow grease also works really well on sun cream. So the first load is done now, but unfortunately it's raining, so we'll just have to dry it and put it in the tumble dryer, and then I'll just put any delicate clothes in the airing cupboard upstairs. Next on my list is to do a big food shop and get the fridge clean. I normally order online shop or HelloFresh whilst we're away, but I completely forgot, so we'll need to go shopping shortly. But before that, I'm just going to empty the fridge and give it a good clean. So starting by removing all of the containers, and I place them in warm soapy water, and then I use a cloth and flash spray to wipe down the shelves in the fridge. The bottom of the fridge under where the veg and salad trays go were absolutely filthy. I am always intrigued how often people clean their fridges, so please do let me know in the comments. Now the fridge is clean, it's time for us to go shopping with my meal plan done, which I actually did on the plane on the way home. So we're going to head to Tesco's, but before we go I'm just going to put another load of washing on, a whitewash including the clothes that I left soaking earlier.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
Once I got home, I laid all of the food out and actually filmed a haul of what I bought for a 7-day meal plan, which I will link down below if you are interested in watching that. Now it's time to restock the fridge, which I have to admit I find really satisfying. I started off washing all the fresh fruit, and with strawberries for example, I place them in a bowl and then pour a little bit of bicarb of soda over, add some cold water and then leave it for around 10 to 15 minutes just to kind of get rid of any nasties in them. I just rinse the grapes in a colander and then leave to dry very briefly, and then add to a glass container which I just line with some folded kitchen roll to soak up any moisture. I then do the same with the blueberries and then put into a berry container, again lining the bottom with some kitchen roll, and then once I rinse the strawberries later, then I will put them in the other half of the container. I add the blackberries to this smaller berry container once they are rinsed. I don't actually rinse my raspberries as I find they're really delicate, and as soon as I rinse them they go soggy, so just place them into a lined glass container. After about 10 minutes I rinsed the strawberries and then added these to the other half of the container with the blueberries. So now on to filling the containers for the fridge. So first of all, the salad in the salad container and the veg obviously in the veggie one. Then onto the smoothie container, and then I basically put the smoothies and the drinks yogurts together, and then another one of these narrow containers with snacks in. Have a couple of containers this size, one for yogurts and one for butter and random things like cottage cheese. I find having food in the fridge in containers keeps it much more organised, as everything has a place, it's easily accessible, and also stops things touching the back of the fridge and then freezing. The container that I put my cheese in actually has a handle on it too, so it's easy to grab it out of the fridge when I need it. I didn't bother clearing out any of the condiments or anything, as didn't get anything new and only did this a couple of weeks ago. So I'm just going to pop everything back into the fridge and then that is done. A quick restock of the tin cupboard. I actually got this from Amazon and absolutely love it. I looked for ages for kind of tin storage solutions. It's so good for keeping my tins organised, easily accessible, and I will link it below for anyone who's interested. Then moving on to cereal, which I always decant into these containers. I find that it keeps it much fresher and also takes up less room. Then just put in the snacks away. So this is the last thing that I do. I generally have one for Arabella's snacks and then one for our snacks. That's all the shopping away and everything restocked. So now I can start to unpack the suitcases upstairs. Most of Arabella's clothes in the packing cubes were only worn for a couple of hours in the evening, so we'll pop these away now. The second load of washing is now dry too, so we'll take this upstairs and put on Tamsin's bed for now, just to sort into piles initially, as I find it much more manageable to then be able to put them away later when each person has their own pile. You said you and I were meant to be last week. You could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself. Whilst I was sorting through the washing, Nick made a delicious veggie curry, which was well needed after an all-inclusive holiday. I have actually shared how to make this in another video, so if you're interested, we'll link that down below. So after dinner, I cleaned the kitchen, put out some fresh flowers. This bunch was one that I actually picked up from Tesco's, and then I'd also had one delivered this afternoon from Bloom and Wild and got this as a birthday gift from my friend. So yeah, I feel like fresh flowers definitely cheer me up, which is always needed, isn't it, after holiday and you kind of get back and holiday blues set in. A final wipe of the sides and vacuum, and then that is my reset day done. I still need to put some of the clothes away that are on the bed upstairs, which I will do before going to bed this evening. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. It's maybe giving you some tips or some motivation on how to have a bit of a reset day, especially if, like me, you've just been on holiday and have a shed load of washing to do too. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye! I think I'm losing it, I think I'm losing it.